For young children, something as simple as making cookies. They can do comparisons of the sizes of measuring cups or measuring spoons. Older children can do the comparisons between a quarter of a cup and a half a cup, the relationship between a half a cup and a whole cup. For older students, talking about the strike itself could be very instructive in a lot of different ways. You can build on vocabulary that they probably are not familiar with, such as negotiations, bargaining, good faith, even the word strike itself. What are the history of strikes in this country? What's different about this country that allows people to strike where they can't in other places in the world? So the bottom line is lively conversation about nature, science, politics. Vocabulary is of the greatest importance. Build that vocabulary and keep your kids thinking during these tough times.